Here's how to turn one long video into 5 to 10 shorts completely free using CapCut. Step 1, on your CapCut interface, go to More Tools and click Long Video to Shorts. Step 2, wait for it to load, then upload the long video that you want to convert. You can drag and drop your file or you can choose it from your computer. So here is the video that I want to transform. I will just select it and then click Open. Step 3, set the duration for your shorts. You can select Auto and let CapCut decide, or pick your preferred length, under 60 seconds, 60 to 90 seconds, or up to 3 minutes. I'll go with under 60 seconds and then click Convert. Then let's just wait for the conversion to finish. And just like that, CapCut automatically created 5 shorts from one long video. You can select any of them or export all 5 if you want. For example, let's check out these trending shorts. The more you lean into your unfair advantage and experiences that... So if you're happy with it already, you can export it right away. But if you want to change anything or edit anything, just click Edit. So here you can change the caption style. Stick to the free one so you don't need to pay for pro access. And you can also adjust the layout if you want. Once you're done, hit export. And that's it. One long video to multiple shorts done in minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know your tutorial requests in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.